Hey guys, how's it going? It's Auret here. Instagram has made changes to their algorithm once again. So we need to figure out a good hashtag strategy that's still going to get us likes, exposure, and more followers in this year, 2018. Instagram updates quite often, so the strategies that you might have used in the past may not work today. So in this video, I'm going to share 5 things with you that will really help towards increasing your engagement and your exposure in this year. Instagram strategy number 1. Remember how we used to post our Instagram hashtags in the comments so that it doesn't look messy in the caption? Well, we can't do that anymore because Instagram has stated that if you put your hashtags in the comments, it will not count towards, basically your post won't show up in those hashtags. So be sure to put your hashtags in the caption of your post. Tip number 2, Instagram allows up to 30 hashtags for you to be able to use on your post. However, it is not good to maximize those hashtags, meaning you shouldn't use all of them. In fact, more is not necessarily better when it comes to hashtags on Instagram. You want to go fewer, and in fact, 5 to 7 per post would be a good amount to use considering the algorithm changes that they made earlier this year. Now, a point that goes hand in hand with that, tip number 3, is that it is critical that the hashtags you use now are even more relevant and more specific to your post. So what do I mean by that? Well, if it's a post of someone on the street and you're capturing street style fashion or something like that, you don't want to hashtag lifestyle because that's just it's too broad. You want to be able to go really specific. Where was that photo taken? You know, what type of photography it is? What type of style is it? So you really want to narrow down on what's relevant and specific to that particular post. Now, a good rule of thumb that I like to use is that within those 5 to 7 hashtags that I use per post, I will maybe use 1 or 2 of them that are popular, but even sometimes I don't use popular ones at all. I will use hashtags that have under 100,000 posts or maybe 150,000 posts. And you can see that. You can see that when you start to type the hashtag, you'll be able to see how many posts are under that hashtag. So I generally don't go for the most popular ones because then that's less visibility. I mean, especially if you're a smaller account, you want to be able to be seen. And if you don't already have enough juice to your account, so you're not already doing great with engagement, have a lot of followers and that sort of thing, you are going to want to use hashtags that when you put a post under that hashtag, you'll be seen at the top most recent posts. If you use a hashtag like love or lifestyle, it's as if your post won't even show up there because so many people are using that on a frequent basis that your post will just be pushed down and won't be seen. So make sure that your tags are super relevant and super specific to each post. That ties into strategy number 4. Some of us, including myself, used to use these same hashtags over and over again because we've already done the research for those hashtags and, you know, these are good ones to use. But with the algorithm updates and that sort of thing, we don't want to use the same hashtags per post. So if you use, for example, hashtag street style photography today with your post, try not to use it again tomorrow. If you're posting again tomorrow, you can use it the following day. Just because you need to mix up those hashtags. Instagram is really hammering down on any sort of activity that looks like a bot or spam or automated. So if they see posts one after another with the same hashtag, then you might experience what's called a shadow ban, meaning they might mute your account in terms of how much exposure it will get. So make sure you're changing up your hashtags, and it should be changed up in any case if you are following the previous point of really making them specific to each post. And strategy number 5, stay away from banned hashtags. So like I mentioned, Instagram is now really hammering down on any sort of bot-like activity, and Instagram has a list of hashtags that have been so spammed out that if you are using those hashtags, you again might be shadow banned. So you'll receive less exposure. People will see your posts less than they actually do now. Now there is a list of banned hashtags, and I'm going to link to the post in this description so you can check that post out. But keep in mind, this constantly updates. So whatever you see on that post right now, it might not take into account other hashtags. So we're all kind of working together as a community here to figure out what are the banned hashtags. And there is a way to find out. So if you're using a hashtag that's not on the list, but you still want to find out whether or not it's a banned hashtag, there is a way to figure that out. And again, I'm going to link to that post in the description, and it'll state perfect instructions that you can follow for how to figure that out. So guys, that is the Instagram strategy that I have been using for this year. And if there's anything else that I've missed or that you guys have heard, please put it down in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Let me know if this video was helpful by giving us a like and subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Back from the dead.